Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manually adjust the focus on your XIAOMI Smart L1. To do it, click on the settings button on your remote and then go to all settings and now go to projector, go to focus, and now you can go to manual focus. Now use the left and right buttons to adjust focus manually. So let's do it. You can see how the focus changes. Let's set it to something that actually is in focus. I think that looks the best, and I can go back with the back button. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.